Forewarned weather with Damian Lotus.
Happy Sunday, everyone. Get those Oklahoma weather bingo cards ready because over the next 24 hours, I am tracking everything from critical fire danger to severe weather to even snowfall here as we head into tonight. Let's get you ready for the latest here in your early Sunday morning. I'll start you off with a time lapse. This is from our Rose State camera. And over the last hour, you can just see how fast these low-level clouds are making their way across the Oklahoma City metro. We have very strong winds here across the state and across northwestern Oklahoma. I am tracking some light showers, and you can see how fast these storms are racing across parts of the state. They are moving up to the northeast about 20, 30, even up to 40, even 50 miles an hour here for some parts of the state. We also have some light showers developing here across southwestern Oklahoma. If these can hold on, we could see some sprinkles here in Oklahoma City by about midday. But for Oklahoma City right now, cloudy skies. This is a live look from our 50-pin camera looking at downtown Oklahoma City, the skyline right there. And you can see the camera is shaking because of how strong the winds are. We're at 53 degrees right now at Will Rogers World Airport, but these winds are gusting up to about 40 miles an hour. This time yesterday morning, I was tracking freezing temperatures, so we're well above where we were yesterday. But look at this. Temperatures right now are a mix of 40s, 50s, even some 60s now across southwestern Oklahoma, but we are all dealing with these strong south winds gusting 30, 40, even 50 miles an hour. But as we head throughout the rest of the day, I will be tracking showers and thunderstorms developing here as we head into this evening. Sunset today is going to be at 7:46, and for today, highs across the state will be a mix of 60s and 70s. Looks like we'll tap 65. My forecast high today for Oklahoma City. But as we head into this afternoon, showers and thunderstorms will develop across western Oklahoma between 3 to 5 o'clock. The timeline for Oklahoma City and the I-35 corridor will be between 5 to 7. And then after that, the storms will start to work their way off to the east, exiting the state by about midnight here for tonight. The overall storm zone will primarily be here for central, northern, and western parts of the state. Large hail, damaging winds, flooding rainfall, and a tornado threat will be possible here as we head throughout this afternoon and this evening. But for today, the hail threat's primarily going to be the main risk, especially for northern, central, and western parts of the state. We could see golf ball size to tennis ball size hail possible here with some of these storms that develop. And yes, there will be an elevated tornado threat here for central and western parts of the state as we head throughout this afternoon as well. And one more time, the difference between a watch and a warning. A watch is when you have all the ingredients needed, and the difference between that and a warning happens when all those ingredients come together. So that's the difference between a watch and a warning. So that's what we're going to be looking at here as we head throughout today. Also for this afternoon, before the storms get going, we will see critical fire danger conditions across western Oklahoma. And yes, as we head into tonight and as we head throughout tomorrow, there will be a chance of some accumulating good snowfall chances across the Oklahoma Panhandle. So for today, I'm tracking cloudy skies. We will see strong, and I mean strong winds. Watching out for that threat of severe weather here as we head throughout this afternoon and this evening. That cold front tonight, heads up gardeners, will bring us some freezing temperatures here as we head throughout the next couple of days. More rain and thunderstorm chances in the forecast on Wednesday. But the good news is, as we look forward to next weekend, we could see highs in the 80s for Easter. But in the meantime, here for today, remain weather aware. We'll have our team of trackers out to bring you the latest, and I'll keep you forewarned.
Also a good time to download the app.
Yep, and we will be updating that, as you can imagine, very frequently here as we have the rotate.